Hello people of the internet, welcome to the second episode of the DIY Desk Makeover series. But before I continue, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more DIYs and other videos. In this episode, we'll be doing DIY Desk Decor. But if you haven't catched the first episode, which is Desk Organization, go check that out. And enough of the chit chat, let's get started. For the first DIY, we'll be doing a mug candle. So you'll have kind of like a mug / a candle on your desk because it looks really cute. And what you need for this is some beeswax or any other kind of candle wax, a mug, candle wick, and any scent of your choice. So what I did was that I glued the bottom of my candle wick onto the bottom of the cup, which was a bad idea, and you'll see why. But if you have any other way to kind of set it aside, like putting on a pencil is a way better idea. And then I took my candle wax, I forgot how much exactly, and I melted that. And I poured the entire bottle of the scent, because if you don't, no scent appears. It's crazy. And I even added more, which was unnecessary. But you're going to continue on mixing. And actually, I was really traumatized making this. So I don't want candle on my freaking granite. Hashtag struggles. So as you can see, hot gluing the wick was a bad idea, but I just kind of set that leaning against something, so while it cooled down it worked out, and I cut it up, and that's it. For the second DIY, we'll be doing some awesome frame decor, and what you need for this is any frames of your choice and cardstock paper. So what I did was, on Pinterest, I searched up like a quote, and what I found was "je m'en fous," I think that's how you say it, which means I don't care in French. And I used Photoshop, but you could use any other word processor, and you could just arrange it in any way. I ended up with that text and that background. And then I found this picture that apparently was sold at Kohl's, and I just really liked it, so I just kind of copied it. No plagiarism, I swear. And I made the little shapes. So I did the circle and a kind of like a nudish pink with a line going down. And then I did a large rectangle in white and a smaller, skinnier rectangle in black. And lastly, one square in a yellow tone. And then I kind of added some shadows and stuff, and that was it for that. And then I printed those out. It's better to have it on cardstock because it's more firm in the frame instead of having paper, which bends. And also I was really curious with the the family picture, so I used the Snapchat filters on them, and it worked. It was actually satisfying. When they were printed out, I cut them up, and as you can see, I kind of created a white border. Do not do that, it does not fit whatsoever. Just cut it right where it ends. And once I was done with that, I put it inside the frames, and that's it. For the third DIY, we'll be doing my favorite, the mood board. And what you need for this is a black grid board. These are actually really hard to find. I literally looked everywhere and I couldn't find it, but then I found it from this website, which I'll link down below. And any pictures or quotes or anything that's artsy that you like, wooden clips, and a pair of scissors. So cut up all your pictures and your quotes. I got some from my Instagram or some pictures that I just liked off of Pinterest, and of course XO. I love XO. And here's a little trick. If you don't have a Polaroid camera and you don't want to go print out Polaroids, take whatever picture you like, print it out kind of in a square, and then cut that out in a Polaroid shape. So it's not a Polaroid, but it looks like one, and so it does all the good. So that's a hack for you. And then you could start pinning them. It's pinning, right? I mean, you're kind of pinning because like when you do clothes on a clothing line, you're pinning them, right? Anyways, you're gonna pin onto the board, and you could do it in any way you choose. And I really like having the mood board because it's artsy, it's everywhere. Urban Outfitters has it too, but that's like 50 or 60 bucks. But this is cheap, affordable, and it really makes you like really inspired because it looks really tumblery. So yeah. Now this one isn't so much of a DIY, but putting plants on your desk is great. So I found this kind of like glass prism thing at TJ Maxx. I filled it up with pebbles and put in some fake succulents. And you could even just take any pot or something. I got this from IKEA, and then the plant also from IKEA. And just putting plants around just makes your desk look really nice. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to stay tuned for the last final episode where I completely show my entire desk. Give this video a thumbs up because thumbs uppies are awesome. And follow me on all my social media and use the hashtag mscraftnerd to send me all your creations. And that's it, guys. Love you guys so much. Toodles.